It's Hasm, and today I'm going to show you my digital angle gauge or gauge. It's made by Klein tools. I think it's like $50, and it lasts forever. But if it's flat on a flat surface, it doesn't really work. But when we're leveling something, we can put it here, and I'm pretty close. So it'll tell you if you need to go up, or down. And yeah, so you can also use it. It's got some grooves in here, so if you're leveling, it's perfect for leveling conduit because the conduit fits in the grooves. But I use it when I'm mounting stuff. But if I was mounting a bunch of things in a row, I'd use a laser. Now you can also change this to 180. You just hold the button down, and now it's 180 degree angle. And it's also magnetic, so I can pick up screws with it. So I think it's a great tool. I use it a lot. It's way better than carrying an actual level, and it's better than using the app on your phone. Any questions? Please post a comment.